This is the 100 milliliter beaker, though there are many other sizes of beakers. For example, there is the 150 milliliter beaker and the 250 milliliter beaker. Nevertheless, these beakers are all used to hold and pour liquids. Additionally, it can also be used for mixing, stirring, and heating chemicals. This is a graduated cylinder. It is used for measuring precisely a volume of liquid to be poured all at once, rather than dripped from a burette. This is a glass stirring rod. It is used for stirring liquids. Additionally, it can be used to transfer liquids from one container to the other. Metal spatula. This is the metal spatula. It is used to scoop and transport powders. This is the Bunsen burner. It is frequently used as a heat source in the absence of flammable materials. To set up a Bunsen burner, connect the rubber hose to the end of the gas inlet. Then, turn the gas valve to the right at a 45-degree angle. Simultaneously, light the lighter over the top of the Bunsen burner. This allows the flame to appear. Next, slowly open the air hole until the flame is a cool blue color. This is the desired non-luminous flame. The laboratory balance is a sensitive piece of equipment and should be treated accordingly. Do not place extremely heavy objects on the laboratory balance. Turn on the balance by pressing the on/0/off button. Wait a few seconds. After the 3 zeros appear, the balance is ready to be used. To weigh a solid substance, first place a piece of weighing paper on the scale and tar the mass. Do this by pressing the on/0/off button once more, after which the 3 zeros will appear again. Then place the substance onto the weighing paper and record the numbers as shown on the balance. Having a strong set of overall laboratory safety rules is essential in avoiding accidents or injuries in the lab. First, you need to wear long pants. Never wear shorts or skirts in the lab. Next, wear closed-toed shoes. Never wear sandals or other open-toed shoes in the lab. Footwear should always cover the foot completely. And don't forget to tie your shoelaces, because you don't want to trip. When performing laboratory experiments, you should always wear a lab apron. They are so important because they help protect your torso. And when tying it, you should tie it at the back like a normal human being, and not at the front. And remember, if you don't know how to tie it at the back, get some help on the first day. Don't figure it out by yourself, or you will be shamed. See? You need some goggles. Lab goggles are so important. And also don't forget to tie back long hair. Make sure that loose clothing or dangling jewelry is secured, or avoid wearing it in the first place. To obtain the density of a liquid, the measurements of both the mass and volume are needed. In this case, the liquid substance will be water. First, tar a small graduated cylinder on the laboratory balance. Then, measure out 10 milliliters of water into a small graduated cylinder. Be sure to record the measurements correctly by reading the bottom of the meniscus. Place the graduated cylinder containing the water onto the balance and record the numbers. The calculation of the density of a substance is mass over volume. In this case, the mass of the water is 10 grams and the volume is 10 milliliters. So the density of water is 1 gram per milliliter.